In battery manufacturing, electrode and separator sheets are made with high-precision roll-to-roll systems. The arrangement, diameter, and rotation speed of the rollers directly affect the sheet quality. Simulation can prevent wrinkles, wobbles, and damage from localized tension concentration in advance. Furthermore, it enables maximizing productivity while maintaining uniform tension. By modeling the sheets as flexible bodies in a virtual environment, you can achieve high-fidelity replication of the deformations that might occur during the actual process. This lets you visually check whether tension is evenly distributed across the sheets and ensure there are no wrinkles or damage. Finally, the manufactured electrode and separator sheets are assembled into cells through stacking or winding processes. Simulation can optimize the assembly process and unlock critical data, enabling you to confidently validate your design before production. For more details, visit the Function Bay website.